of roasted cumin, dry ginger powder, raw mango powder, and some whole spices in it. The green peas. Add the remaining spices, starting with salt as per taste, coriander powder, masala, turmeric powder,
Masala.
Masala is a mix of spices. Yes.
Is that oil you're pouring in there?
Yes. Sunflower oil for frying. So we have to take the dough. No need to make it a round shape. Just keep it thin, and you have to make a oval shape. Lift it gently, hold it like this, half on your finger, half on your palm, with the cut open edge. Take a little amount of water on the down side, on your finger side. Then with your other finger, keep it like this, flip it like this, adjust it like this, and then a nice cone.
Easy. Yeah.
Make a pocket. The open end has to be towards your side like this. Filling this much, then moisten it from all and little bit of water, not too much, and just pull it towards your side like this. On your thumb, the open edge has to rest on your thumb, and the back side you have to pull it toward your side like this. Then take it on your palm like this. With your hand, finger, you have to press it so it will have an even shape. Nice. So what happens when we do the roll? You can give a hallmark. You can see your samosa. You can make the other one if you want. So, and this, I can show you how we do. This is called ragda. A little ragda. We have to crush the samosas.
What is this?
Tamarind. Yes. So these are the meat once you have. So I call Shahid. Shahid, and you can tell whether you want regular samosa or samosa chaat, and we will get.
Is this very spicy?
No, not spicy, but just a little bit with the whole spices. You can taste a little. Because always it's better to taste a little. I have learned my first class of making samosa. You from my mom.